If you are looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable basement remodeling service in Ottawa West End, well, Alba Home Services would like to earn your trust. It doesn't matter what type of remodeling work you need. The professionals at Alba Home Services are equipped to make your basement dream a reality. Our licensed team of construction and design specialists have the know-how and creativity to get the job done to the Ontario Building Code standards and on budget. Let us convert your unusable basement space. We can turn it into something usable like this. We are serving these areas and more: Stittsville, Kanata, Carp, Ottawa West, Nepean, Barrhaven, and Manotick. Alba Home Services are proud to be one of the top local basement remodeling services in Ottawa West End, and we are committed to creating satisfied customers by getting the job done right the first time. No matter how big or how small your basement remodeling needs are, Asllani and his home contractor services skilled tradespeople can handle any remodeling work. We offer complete construction services from start to finish. Contact Alba Renovations now at 613-831-9802 to arrange a no-obligation consultation to discuss your specific construction project. We look forward to working with you. You can also click on the link in the description to contact us.